Welcome to Bexley Practice Test 1 Exam Papers Plus. First thing, you can see I'm leaning into the mic. Now the sound is very good quality. You need to turn the mic all the way up. Now you should still be able to hear me. I'm going to lean back now. It'll sound quiet for a little bit, but then you need to increase the mic now. Here we go. Turn it up now. Question 22. Here is part of a train timetable. Every question I do, you can pause the video, have a go, then unpause, then you can hear me explain it. This video will cover questions 22 onwards. Here's part of a train timetable. How much longer does the slowest train from Hampton Court to London Waterloo take than the quickest? Okay, let's just work out each train. Let's go for the times. Hampton Court up top here to 18:30 now. How long is that? Well, that's 45 minutes. What's a really quick way to do that? 17:45 plus 15 minutes will take you to 6 o'clock. And then 6 to 6:30 another. So we've got 45 minutes. Okay, that's the first train. Next train. Let me just make this a tiny bit smaller. There. The next train actually leaves a lot later. Oh my gosh. Yeah, about 1 hour later. Let me just color code it. Here to there. Well, just look. That is 30 minutes. Okay. And now we work out the last one. Here to there. So we can go to 9 o'clock. That's 21:00. That will be going up 30 minutes. And then you go again. So it'll be 11. So 41 minutes. So really, what are we saying? How much longer does the slowest train take than the quickest? So the slowest train is actually 45 minutes. I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. No, I'm not. I'll have to keep that in the video. Yeah, it's fine. Unedited maths explanation, including a sneeze, which never happened. Here, that is the slowest train. The fastest train is 30 minutes. What's the difference between them? 15 minutes. Look at the options. Classic exam paper plus, just making us do a bit more work. 15 minutes is which one? Quarter of an hour, the top one. Because a quarter means divide 4, and that is 60. And we know 60 divided 4 is 15. That's the top option. Let's just work out the others just to show you. A third of an hour means a third of 60, which means 60. Divide by 3, which is 20. 10 minutes they tell you, half an hour is 30 minutes, and then the last one, a fifth of an hour, so a fifth. So just do 60 divided 5 is equal to 12 minutes. A is the answer. Next question. 3 more questions, that's it, and then you deserve a reward. Question 23. Samson buys a bag of 500 hairpins, but 28 are damaged. He buys a smaller bag of 250, but 32 are damaged. What percentage of the hairpins that Samson bought are undamaged? Okay, so we can work out damaged first, and then undamaged is just one step away. I've underlined the important numbers. Look at these two. How many are damaged? 28 plus 32 equals 60. That is our top number. With every fraction, we have the bottom number, which is everything. We've got the 2 sets of hairpins. There's just in a big bag and a small bag. Doesn't matter. We care about the total number of hairpins. That will go on the bottom. 500 plus 250 is 750. Good. Now, every time we see a fraction, we should simplify. So, let's go here. 60 over 750 is equal to 6 over 75. Because they're both in the 10 times table. Now, what else, guys? What else? Well, they're both in the 3 times table. That's what simplifying means. You divide top and bottom by the same number. So 2 over 25. Let me just write that fully, just in case you're not sure. That first step looks good. That first black arrow is divide 10 on top and bottom. Simplify. Do the same to top and bottom. You see this one? That blue arrow is divide 3. Good. 2 over 25. Why has William written it like this? Well, we want the percentage. Okay, now how can we go to a percent? Well, we know that means out of 100. So 2 over 25 equals what over 100? Let me just write it down here in green. 2 over 25 here on the bottom. Let me just make it a bit bigger, just in case. 55. There. How we go from here to there times 4, do the same up top. That's how fractions work. 8 over 100. 8%. They're being so mean, aren't they? Look at D. You've done all this working, so many steps, you feel you've finished a question. No, there's actually one more step. 8% are the damaged ones. We want the undamaged ones, so it's just the other group. 8% are damaged, so how many are not damaged? 100%. Minus 8% is 92%, which is important in real life. When you get a bag of things, hopefully 90% or more will be undamaged. Just like when you go to the supermarket, you open the eggs, well, hopefully 0% are damaged. 100% all the eggs are good, and then you can buy that item. But things happen. Things happen. A small amount are damaged, a gigantic number are undamaged. They are looking good. Next, 2 more questions, that's it. Okay, we're back. So 1/8 of 360 is 45, so we turn that amount. Now I'm going to go with that to double compass again. Let me just put over it. Now 45 degrees, you see that green one, which I know I've covered it, but I'm going to do it again. That is 90, so 90 divided 2 is 45. So what is William saying? We're just going to turn a little bit that way. So here, you see that blue one, you're just going to turn a bit that way. 45 degrees, clockwise. There we go, we are facing north. That is the answer. One more question, you deserve a reward after this. We're 7 minutes in, almost done. Question 25, the following chart shows some of the weight classes of the horses in a racing stable. Which of the following statements must be true? Whenever I see this kind of question, I check going from here, C, D, E. The reason for that is the examiner wants you to check lots of options, so it's probably near the end. Here we go. C. All of the horses in the stable weigh a whole number of kilograms. Well, look at any bar. Let's say here, 410 to 419. What were you saying? If your horse weighs between this and that, it'll go here. So maybe a horse weighed 411.5. You'll still go in this bar, so we don't know that for sure. Must be true. The same number of horses weigh between 400 and 409, so that's the first bar. Okay, let's put that number. Can you see here, we're going from 60 to 70. 5 boxes, so that is 62. Every time you see a bar chart, I've told my students, you need to write that number on top. And that one as well, 440 to 449. Here, that's halfway. There, that's 21. It's halfway there. Being a bit mean with that. I mean, there's so much to check anyways, and you do that. So is that as 410 to 439 combined? Let's put a number over there, 410 to 439. Okay, that's everything here. Let me use a different color. You see, I've done this question before, but I know the wording is tricky. See, reading it twice. Reading it again still tricks me. I'm going to put a green box there. Can you see that bit combined? So they're telling us we check all these numbers. Long question. I wonder if this is the answer. Here, 32. There. Just go up, mate. Just go up. 22, 24, 26. Now on 25. So what are we saying? You see the light blues? If we add them up, it's going to be same as the green. That's what they're saying with this really wordy question. So let's do it. Let's do it, and job done. You deserve a reward after this. 62 plus 21 is 83. Okay, so what? Well, let's check this. 32 plus 26 is 58, and then we add 25. Fantastic. 58 plus 25 is 83, so there we go. D should be the answer. E, there are fewer than 200 horses in the stable. Should we just add them all up? 176. Yeah, but it says it must be true. If we look at this one, D, 83 is equal to 83. So that's okay. A, more horses weigh between 400 and 409 than all the other weights combined. Well, that's not true. If we add all these numbers, they're way bigger. B, none of the horses in the stable weigh less than 400 or more than 449. No. Oh, they're being so mean with this question. Show some of the weight. Rubbish. Why are they putting that word? No, because not every horse is included. That's why that one. They're fewer than 200. We don't know. Because maybe there's some really heavy horses here. Maybe there's quite a lot of them, 50, and already that's taking it over. That's why I was a bit confused. You look at this bit. 83 plus 83 is 176. So there could be maybe 24, 25 horses that are really heavy. They're here. They are fewer than 200. No, they could be a little bit more. Awful question. This bit. Okay, there we go. We still have the answer, but I have to check it fully because it's a YouTube video. I will show every step. But of course, in the real exam, once you find one of these options where you're just checking true or false, you put it and you move on. We are 11 minutes in, job done. So very well done for watching all the way until the end for Bexley Maths Test 1. Here is my normal way to end the video. In the top left corner, it might be another suitable maths video. It might even be the next maths playlist, because Bexley Maths Test 1, I've just finished, as you have watched it, questions 1 to 25. So maybe Bexley Test 2 or Bexley 3 will be top left corner, and bottom left corner will be another suitable YouTube video chosen by YouTube to keep you learning on this 11 Plus channel. Very well done. You deserve a reward for watching this whole video. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.